Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Doone. I know what you're thinking. Geez, that is purple. I did say in my last video that the next time you see me my hair would be purple. I did not expect it to be this purple, but it is, and I really quite like it, so I'm just going to go with it. I did actually record me dyeing my hair, so going from blonde to purple. I do actually have 3 different shades, or 2 shades of purple plus pink that I mixed in with this as well. I did video it all, but being the dumbass that I am, I just plugged the microphone straight into the camera, assuming that it would work, and it didn't work. So the whole video of me going from blonde to purple has no audio. So the next part you will see will be the transformation part, but it will have me talking over the top of it as it has no audio. So sorry about that. Hope it still works out alright. And then by the end of the video, hopefully I would have this styled half decent. Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video will be a little bit different, as today we'll be filming from my bathroom. I will be doing a quick tutorial on showing you how I turn my blonde hair into purple. I'll be showing you the products, but this should be quite a quick video. So let's jump straight into it. So some of the products that we'll be using today are the L'Oreal Colorista in Lilac. I'll also be using the Bright in purple, and I'll be mixing them both together. As I do have a lot of hair, I need more than one colour mixture to coat my whole hair. As I do have a lot of hair, quite thick and long hair, I always mix more than one colour together, so it's not even necessarily the same colours. So I might use 2 purples or a couple of pinks and just get a mystery shade. But what I always do is mix in a hair mask to help soften and hydrate my hair as well. It's just something I've always done. It works really well. I will also be using the 18-in-1 shampoo. I'll be using a purple shampoo as well. So again, it's an 18-in-1, but it's an intense violet shampoo that I use just to take those brassy tones out. And of course, I'll also be using the 18-in-1 conditioner. Okay, off to have a shower now. I will be right back. So I've showered. I have washed my hair, I have towel dried my hair and brushed it as well. I've also popped on an old shirt, as I know I am going to get dye all over it. So now it's time to mix all the colours and the hair mask together. So I'll get onto that. Pop them in the same bowl. I've got my mixing tool, which is my spoon. I don't usually use that, but I do wear the same gloves all the time. I just find it a waste to throw the gloves out, so I just use the same gloves to dye my hair over and over again. So I'm mixing the colours in with a mixture of the hair mask and a lot of conditioner. I just find that it helps the colour go further because I do have so much hair. It also lightens up the colour a little bit as well and can make it a pastel colour. So it was about at this stage where I realised that I had put a lot of purple in and it was not going to be a pastel colour. It was going to turn out quite dark. Another note is watch what you're doing when it comes to these dark or bright colours. If you drop that on a really light surface, it will instantly stain, and that stain is not going to come out. So be extremely careful with dark or bright colours. For some reason I decided to add a bit of pink, which is quite normal for me to do last minute. I don't really think it made any difference though when it came to the final result. It's time to put it in my hair. I've separated into a couple of sections and we will fast forward through this section. I will do one side and then we will do the other side off camera. Also, dark colours, like I mentioned before, they flick everywhere, so make sure you don't get it on the walls, the tiles, anything will stain. So be very, very careful. I got it all down my arms, I got it down my face. And just in case you're wondering, I never use a brush. I always use my hands. I know it comes out really inconsistent and I get patches that I miss everywhere, but I don't mind that because my hair is quite wavy. I end up with an okay result. But yeah, I never ever use a brush to put the dye through my hair. It's always my hands. All the dye is in, both sides are done. I haven't made much of a mess apart from what's on my shirt. I did partly dye one of my eyebrows, but that doesn't worry me too much. And I did drop a little bit on the floor mat, but that will come out easy enough. And I didn't manage to step in it, so I'm pretty pleased with myself. I'll leave it in for 10 minutes and then I will go and wash it out. So it's been in for 10 minutes now. I'm a bit anxious to leave it in any longer in case it gets really dark. I'm also going to wash it out in the laundry sink and not the shower. I'm back. Okay, so let's towel dry it, give it a brush and see what's going on under here. Hopefully it's not too dark. So when I first took the towel off, I was like, wow, that is dark, but you've got to remember when it's wet it looks darker. When it dries it does get a lot lighter. So I'm going to dry it, but first I'm going to put this 18-in-1 thermo protector spray in, so that'll just give my hair a bit of protection when I use the hairdryer on it, as it is bleached and then it is coloured over the top. And as my hair is wavy, I need all the protection that I can get for my hair. My hair does take a long time to dry, it always has, but I do also have my hairdryer on a low setting, so it's more of a cool setting than too hot. Don't want to damage my hair any more than it is already. I never fully dry my hair with the hairdryer. I always leave it a little bit damp so it can naturally bounce up slightly. And as you can see, now that it is almost dry, it has lightened up a lot. There are a lot of inconsistencies when it comes to the colour as well. You can see different areas my hair has picked up the purple differently, so there are a lot of dark and light areas through my hair, which again doesn't bother me at all. When it's curled, braided up, it'll look quite nice, so the inconsistencies doesn't bother me. Plus it's also because I didn't use a brush, I just used my hands, so there will be some areas that aren't as saturated as they should have been. But also because of the conditioner and the hair mask that I had in, my hair is super soft and fluffy and it feels amazing, and I love the colour. Okay guys, I hope all that was alright, it was well explained and easy to follow. If I was you, I wouldn't be too scared about dyeing your hair, especially if it's a semi-permanent. It will wash out anyway, so if you find that you don't like the colour or you make a mistake, just wash it out over time. I do realise that I have quite a purple scalp that will also wash out in the next few washes as well. Make sure that I do give my scalp a bit of a scrub to get all that purple out. I have just popped my hair in 2 braids, you can see. I thought it would be really pretty to curl it. Then I thought everyone curls their hair anyway, and I'm about to go and sit on the couch and watch Netflix anyway, so I may as well just pop some braids in and let them get messy. I will link below the hair products that I've used today. I really do enjoy the hair products that I use. I've used them before in the past and they've worked really well. They make my hair really shiny and smooth and feel fantastic. I've never had a problem with them when it comes to the shampoos, conditioners or the colours, the brand of the colours either. I would definitely recommend those. So thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video and tuning in. I'm sorry that it wasn't 100% and it didn't work all that well. I'm still, again, working on sound, working on the lighting, so apologies for all that as well. I will figure it all out one day and it'll be fantastic, but until then, just bear with me. Subscribe, hit that like button, go over onto my Insta and follow me there. Over to my Insta page. I will start doing some effects makeup on this channel, but I do need to figure out the lighting situation when it comes to the special effects stuff, because it does make a big difference. I did try some the other night and it just didn't work. I was not happy because it turned out really well on me, but in the camera it didn't turn out very well, so I'm still trying to figure out all of that. So please subscribe, like this video, head over to my Instagram and feel free to follow me on there if you like. I would greatly appreciate it. You could jump on there and follow me, write a comment, even write a comment on this video, that would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.